Hey guys, it's Nicole, and for this week's manicure I did some iridescent glitter nails with some foil and some kind of abstract shape kind of outline nails, so keep watching for the tutorial. So I started off with Bundle Monster Gel Polish in the shade Cosmic A-Go-Go, which is a kind of sheerish orange. Then I also used Madame Glam's Base Gel for a sheer base on my middle two nails and my thumb, and then Madame Glam's Gel Polish in the shade Bright Barbie Pink. So I started off with the orange on my pinky, and then I just applied the base gel, 2 coats of it on my middle two nails, just to give it a nice sheer base, and I didn't want to go in with the light pink for this, I wanted just something that's clear. And then I put the pink on my pointer finger. So once that was cured, I took some foil and applied that directly into the cured base gel, just into the tacky layer on my middle two fingers as well as my thumbs. And then I took Madame Glam's top coat just to go right over the top, because I'm going to be putting some gel polish on top of that and I wanted to have a nice smooth finish. And then once that was cured, I removed the tacky layer so glitter wouldn't get stuck into it, and did the same thing on my other two nails, just applied a layer of top coat. Except this time you want to leave the sticky layer because that's what the glitter is going to be attached to. So once that was cured, I'm taking these iridescent glitters and I'm putting those on my nails, obviously orange over orange and pink over pink. And this is just like I bought the glitter thing from Michael's, I believe, and it has 6 iridescent colors in a set, and so I just put them in different containers. Anyway, so next I'm taking pink on a detail brush, just to do 2 little shapes on each of my nails. Just kind of mainly triangles and squares just on the edges, and I did them across from each other. And then I cured those and put some pink glitter on top of that. And then I dusted off all of the excess, and then I'm doing the exact same thing with the orange, just on the alternating sides of the nails. So I still wanted to leave some foil showing and a little bit of the clear base gel showing. So that's what I did here. And then once the last shape was drawn, I cured those and I put the glitter on top of that as well, before dusting off all of the loose glitter. And making sure, you want to make sure to get it all off the edges so you can get a nice clear finish of top coat. So next I took some top coat over all of my nails. And over glitter I usually do 2 coats of top coat. So this is the first one. And just do it a little bit thicker than you would normally, just so you can get a smooth finish. And then once that was all applied, I cured it for 30 seconds on my LED lamp, and then I'm taking Madame Glam's Perfect White just to draw on some finishing lines and details. So I put 3 on each nail, so just little triangles or squares or trapezoids or whatever you feel like drawing. Pretty simple and easy. And I didn't try to line them up with the shapes I already had drawn. I wanted them kind of alternating. And so once you're happy with how they look, go ahead and cure that. And then I followed up with 1 more layer of top coat just to seal in the white polish and to make sure the glitter was all smooth. So once that final layer of top coat was cured, I removed the tacky layer with some rubbing alcohol, and that's it for this look. So I think it's super cute. I love the green color that reflects from the glitter since it is an iridescent glitter, and I also love the abstract look, and I think they're super bright and fun and colorful. So I'll leave links in the product description box down below if you're interested, and thanks for watching. Bye!